Wild animals, children's app for kids. This is a basic ASO technique that will help you position. In the following boxes, you will add descriptions with a maximum length equal to the indicated one. Long description is a text up to 4,000 characters that will allow us to make a statement about the content and features offered by our app. Here we will have a lot of freedom to present our application. You will be able to include paragraphs and emojis with which to organize your information. The limit is very high, take advantage of it. It is recommended to include at least 700 characters. Try to take advantage of the space offered by the stores. This text is useful both for users who will better understand what your app is about and for markets who will decide to show it in more visible positions if they consider that the information is useful. Try to include keywords within the text. We highlight the keywords by selecting the text. Those by which you intuit or have investigated that you will find in stores, also trying to reinforce with the description the visibility of your app in certain researches. Short description, on the other hand, is a very brief exposition of your app, just a headline. It is a text of no more than 80 characters that will serve as a cover letter for your application. The short description appears at the top of the tab of your application in the store. Mine will be Children's App to learn all about wild animals. Finally, as this is about positioning and visibility, use keywords. Separate each keyword with commas. Mine will be wild animals, jungle animals, educational app, children, learn by playing, for example. If you want to add more languages besides the main one, English for example, click in this box that indicates Add Language. Select yours and fill in the data again. You can add as many languages as you want.